scared. I'm very scared. I should be?
Yeah. I was on the phone as she was doing this.
It smells kind of funny.
The smell is unfortunate.
The smell is just unfortunate. It just smells like glue.
Side effect. Yeah. Yeah.
It's a book?
Not just a book.
To Michelle.
Wait, you need to read the book. Yeah.
New Moon.
There we go.
Stephanie Meyer. Okay.
Yeah, there we go.
To Michelle, this is a very special, one-of-a-kind blended edition. It was everything the original copy lacked. Sarcastic yet truthful comments, illustrations, shiny colors, the elimination of that excuse for a plot.
Elimination.
Or at least your ability to read it. Bitch. And most importantly, your birthday gift. Enjoy. Oh my god.
Oh, she got the comments. Okay. You have to read them.
Oh, okay.
Some of them have comments.
Do you hate your dad? No, I do not. Does every page have a comment?
No.
LOL, you are no Romeo and Juliet.
Okay, fine. You can read the comments later if you keep it. But the drawings are good.
Nail polish.
Yeah, around. I surrounded it by pretty.
Wait, it's somewhere in here?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Holy. Oh my god. Okay, you know what?
She was so proud when she thought of this idea.
Oh my god. What did you take?
That's not important.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Somebody blasphemy. Okay.
Notice the fake blood.
Oh. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. How long? Okay, no, I can't answer that.
Yeah, I know.
Really? This is genius, though.
A real book.
Oh, got it. Oh.
There it is.
Somewhere.
It's there. Hold on. 2 more pages. Oh my god. Oh, Twilight.
I can't believe this is on tape now.
Whose Twilight book did you tear up?
Not important.
Ooh. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Awesome.
But there's still some illustrations, damn it. They were more important. There's so much awesome in there.